Very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 7.2. First question is multiply. So you will be taking in your book. Second question. Convert each of the following group of unlike decimal into like decimal. So how you will be convert unlike decimal in like decimal, that is 8 decimal 7 comma 7 decimal 81. So after decimal you are looking here 2 digit, or here is only 1 digit. So like decimal is equal to, how you will be write, 8 decimal 70 and then 7 decimal 81. This is the like decimal. It means after decimal, if there is less digit, then you will be put the 0. Very easy this one. And then fourth part, see that directly fourth part. Other part you can do 2 decimal 2 comma 0 decimal 22 comma 0 decimal 202 comma 0 decimal 2020. So like decimal is equal to, how that will be right, 2 decimal 2000, because after decimal maximum digit are 4, maximum digit is 4, so we have put the 30. 0 decimal 2200, 0 decimal 2020, that is 0 decimal 2020. It means, again I am repeating, like decimal means after decimal digits will be same. And then third question, no problem is there, because fill up is here, or you can, so you can do in your book. That fill up you can do in your book. You will put the sign, if the digits are same, then you will put the is equal to, if the first digit is greater, then you will put the first sign. If the second digit is greater, then you will put the second sign. And then fourth question, rewrite the following group of decimal in ascending order. Ascending order, you know that ascending order? Ascending order means, first of all you will be write the greater number, then after you will be write, and at last you will be write smallest number. That is a descending order. 0 decimal 234 comma 0 decimal 432 comma 0 decimal 423. How you will be writing ascending order? Very easy, that in descending order, sorry, that is, oh sorry, ascending order is that, in ascending order. Ascending order means, first of all you will write the smallest number, and at last you will write the greatest number. So after decimal, this is 3, 3, 2, 2, 4, 4. So these are the smaller than others. So then first digit, after decimal first digit is same, and then second digit is 4, and this is the 3. So this is a smaller number. So 0 decimal 234, and then sign you will be put like this, and then obviously that will become, because we have compared in these two, so 0 decimal 243, and then after decimal 44, after decimal 33, so we will compare here 33, and then second digit 24, so that will become 0 decimal 324, and then after here you can write, and then after obviously that will become, because we have compared in these two 3, 4, 2, and then we will compare in these two, that will be 4, 4, and this 3, and this is a 2, so this will become 0 decimal 4 2 3 and then at last greatest number 4 3 2. And then see one more, that fourth part, see that fourth part, 5 4 3 4 5 4 3 4 comma 0 decimal 0 5 4 3 4 comma 0 decimal 5 4 3 4 comma 5 decimal 4 3 4 comma 54 decimal 3 4 comma 5 4 3 decimal 4. Here you are looking before decimal digits also there. So before digit, first of all you will be write in ascending order. In ascending order, that will be before digit we will compare first. So before digit is 0, that is 5434, that is means 5434, that is 0, that is also 0. This is the 5, this is the 54, this is the 543. So now first of all we see the smaller number, ascending order we are writing. So first of all we will check that 0 after decimal 0 5, so that will be 0 decimal 0 5 4 3 4, and then we have comparing these two because these two has no before digit, before decimal that is a 0, so we are comparing of these two. So 0 decimal 5 4 3 4, then after before digit has started. So before digit this is the 5, so that will be 5 4 3 4, and then after this is a 54 decimal 3 4, and then after 543 decimal 4, and then after all the digits before the decimal, so 5 4 3 4, right? And then we will see here 5 point, and other part you can do very easy, okay.